Stratton Company does financial strategies for retirees, including IRA tax planning, withdrawal planning, and full investment management. After working with hundreds of retirees in Jacksonville for over 25 years, we're excited to open a new office in Nocatee. Our clients' favorite way of keeping in touch and introducing their friends has always been through social events and financial workshops, so we've designed this office around a central meeting place for events. Right here where we're standing, this is going to be our central meeting place, where every week we'll host coffee talks, workshops, and lunches to help Nocatee retirees save taxes on your IRAs, take well-planned distributions that can increase your income, and grow your retirement accounts with less risk. For our clients, these events give us time with you beyond our planning meetings. That way we can anticipate your needs before they even come up. With that in mind, we're looking forward to some strictly social events here as well. If you're retired or nearing it in Nocatee, World Golf, Palencia, and around this area, stay in the loop about topics and dates with our monthly event calendar at retirementteam.com.